Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a personal branding course with CreativeLive, full guide step by step clearly. To start a personal branding course with CreativeLive, first, visit the CreativeLive website. Register for an account if you don't have one yet. Complete the sign-up process by providing your email address and creating a password. Once you're logged in, use the search bar to look for personal branding courses. Browse through the available options to find a course that suits your needs. Click on the course title for more details, including the course outline and instructor information. Review the course prerequisites to ensure you are prepared for the material. Once you've selected a course, you can either purchase it or enroll in a free trial if available. Proceed to checkout if you are purchasing the course. Enter your payment information on the secure checkout page. After completing the purchase, return to your account dashboard. Locate the course under your My Courses section. Click on the course to start watching the video lessons. Take notes during the lessons to reinforce your learning. Engage with any community discussion boards or groups related to the course. Consider scheduling dedicated time each week to focus on course materials. Complete any exercises or assignments provided to enhance your understanding. Track your progress through the course using the available tools on the platform. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to instructors or fellow students. Once finished, reflect on what you've learned and how to implement it in your personal brand. You can also engage further by taking advanced courses offered on CreativeLive. Continue to update your branding materials as your skills and knowledge grow. Finally, remember that personal branding is an ongoing process that evolves over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.